How was your soccer game today?
It was awesome, Dad. We won.
That's wonderful.
How many goals did you score?
We scored 3 goals total.
How many goals did you make?
I scored 1 goal. It was really cool.
I'm so proud of you. You play very well.
Thanks, Dad. I practice every day.
I can see that. Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, you always say that.
Would you like to play again tomorrow?
Yes, soccer is my favorite sport.
I know. Maybe I can come watch.
Really? That would be amazing.
Yes, I'd love to. When does the game start?
At 2 o'clock in the afternoon,
Perfect. I'll be there.
I'm so excited already.
Me too. You will play great, I'm sure.
I'll do my best.
You always do.
Thanks for supporting me, Dad.
Always, I'm here for you.
You're the best dad ever.
And you're the best son.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too, buddy.
This dinner tastes great.
Mom made it special for you.
She's the best cook.
Don't tell her I said this, but yes.
Our secret.
Tell me about your new teacher.
He's really nice, Grandpa. His name is Mr. Johnson.
That's a good name. Is he strict?
No, he's not strict. He's funny.
Funny teachers are the best.
Yes, he tells jokes often.
That's good. Laughing is healthy.
He also teaches us interesting things.
What do you learn in his class?
We learn about different countries.
Other countries are very interesting.
Yes, yesterday we learned about Australia.
I went to Australia once.
Really? Tell me about it.
Gladly. It's a very beautiful country.
I want to go to Australia too.
Maybe we can travel there together.
That would be the best thing ever.
Yes, that would be amazing.
When can we go?
When you're older,
I can't wait.
time goes by quickly.
Will you tell me more about Australia?
Yes, gladly. I'll tell you everything.
You're the best grandpa.
And you're the best grandson.
I love you so much.
I love you too, little man.
You know everything about the world.
Not everything, but I love to share.
That's why you're so special. Would you like to help me cook?
Yes, Mom. What are we making today?
We're making soup, your favorite soup.
Vegetable soup? I love vegetable soup.
I know, that's why we're making it.
What can I do?
You can wash the vegetables.
Which vegetables do we need?
carrots, potatoes, and onions.
I'll wash everything really well.
That's good. Clean vegetables are important.
Am I a good helper?
Yes, you're the best helper ever.
This is so much fun.
Cooking together is more fun.
Yes, that's true.
Soon we can eat together.
I can't wait.
Dad will be so happy.
Yes, he loves our soup.
We make a great team.
The best team in the world.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you too, Mom.
You're learning to cook so fast.
I love learning from you.
That's wonderful, sweetheart.
Can we cook together again tomorrow?
Of course. What would you like to make?
Maybe pancakes for breakfast?
Great idea. Dad loves pancakes too.
Perfect. I'll help mix everything.
Would you like to learn how to bake a cake?
Yes, Grandma. I really want to learn.
Wonderful. We'll bake a chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is my favorite.
I know. That's why I chose it.
What do we need?
We need flour, sugar, eggs, and chocolate.
Do you have everything at home?
Yes, everything is in the kitchen.
Is it hard to bake?
No, it's easy. I'll show you everything.
Great. When can we start?
Right now. Come, let's go to the kitchen.
I can't wait.
You'll become a great baker.
Thanks, Grandma. You teach me everything.
I love doing that.
Can we eat the cake today?
Yes, it'll be ready for dinner.
Mom and Dad will be so happy.
Yes, they'll be proud of you.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
Will you bake with me more often?
Of course, whenever you want.
That'll be amazing.
You're my favorite baking partner.
And you're my favorite grandma.
We'll make the kitchen smell wonderful.
I love the smell of chocolate cake.
Me too, sweetie.
This is the best day ever.